Animal. Alphabet. A, B, C forest version. A is for antelope. They are the graceful, super fast runners of Africa. They have those amazing horns and can run over 50 miles per hour. Fun fact, some antelopes can jump super high when they run. They're not cows or goats. They're truly unique speedsters of the Savanna. B is for bear. Don't let their size fool you. Bears can run faster than a race car, around 35 miles per hour. They're powerful. They don't truly hibernate. They just take a deep sleep called torpor. And here's the best part. Female bears often give birth while sound asleep in winter. C is for crocodile. They have the strongest bite in the world. These ancient reptiles have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. They are masters of hiding in the water. Cool fact, the temperature of the nest decides if the baby will be a boy or a girl. A tough, incredible survivor.